Did you know that over 60% of first-time homebuyers regret their purchase, not because of the countertops or paint colors, but because they walked straight into a financial trap they didn't see coming? They thought that they were chasing the dream but ended up living a nightmare. And this is the scary part. A Bankrate survey in 2024 found that nearly 2 out of 3 homeowners underestimated their long-term housing costs. Most didn't realize it until it was too late. So if you think owning a home is always the smarter move, you might want to watch this before signing anything. Let's dive in. Part 1. The hidden costs. Everyone thinks that buying a home is simple. Save a down payment, get a mortgage, live happy life ever after. But the thing is, the mortgage is just the cover charge. The real bill comes later: repairs, maintenance, insurance, and taxes. Home Advisor's 2024 report shows that the average homeowner now spends $4,400 per year on repairs and maintenance. That's about $370 a month, completely outside of the mortgage. For example, roof replacements cost from $8,000 to $15,000. Water damage repairs cost on average $3,000. And over 55% of homeowners in recent NerdWallet survey said that they had to take on debt for unexpected home repairs in the last year. And before you even get the keys, the first big surprise hits on day 1. Part 2. Closing costs. Most buyers focus on down payment, but forget about closing costs, the silent budget killer. These range from 2% to 5% of the purchase price. On the $300,000 home, that's $6,000 to $15,000 gone instantly. And it's not just one line item. Closing costs include loan origination fees, appraisals, title insurance, and escrow fees. In recent 2025 surveys, 42% of homeowners with regrets say that the maintenance and hidden costs exceeded their expectations, further highlighting how underestimated closing and repair costs surprise people later. That means that some people start homeownership already in debt before they even moved in. And unfortunately, the bills don't stop once you are inside, they just keep coming. Part 3. Property taxes and PMI. Even after you moved in, the costs continues. Property taxes alone can range from $1,000 a year in some remote or countryside states to over $12,000 in states like New Jersey or Illinois. Because home prices have climbed so much in 2025, the typical home sells around $437,000, which means PMI and property tax burdens are heavier than ever. And this is the worst part, because PMI doesn't even protect you, it protects the bank. You pay it, but you get nothing back. It's like running on a treadmill, where the bank is the only one moving forward. These costs never show up in the real estate listing, but they will absolutely show up in your bank account. Part 4. Why renting can be smarter. Now, you might be thinking, well, I would just buy it anyway because it's an investment. But what if I told you that in 2026, renting can be smarter? A Redfin report found that in 48 out of 50 largest US cities, renting is cheaper than buying. In some cases by 40 to 50% per month once you add up mortgage, taxes, and repairs. And renting gives you something that homeownership doesn't: freedom. If you want to change the job, you can move. If the market crashes, you can walk away. If roof leaks, it's not your bill. For many people, renting means flexibility and breathing room, 2 things that no mortgage lender will ever sell you. In today's market, the wrong home purchase isn't just expensive, it can keep you stuck for years. Part 5. When buying actually makes sense. In my opinion, these conditions are staying put for at least 5 to 7 years, stable income, and a full 20% down payment. When those boxes are checked, the math changes. Given the hidden cost burden rising to $21,400 a year, the threshold for smart home buying is higher than ever. Only when you meet all the criteria does homeownership changes into financial advantage. If you lock in a low mortgage rate, you can also save tens of thousands over the loan's lifetime, and over the time, appreciation plus equity builds real wealth. So it's not really about owning versus renting, it's about timing and readiness. Let's do the 3-step readiness test. This is how to know if you are ready to buy. Step number 1, finances. Do you have 20% down payment plus an emergency fund? If not, you are already in the danger zone. Step number 2, stability. Is your job and location secure for at least 5 years? A 2024 LendingTree survey found that 38% of homeowners who regret buying say it's because of unexpected moves or job changes. The third step, market conditions. Buying at peak costs you from 10 to 20% more than waiting even a year for prices to stabilize. So if you can't check all 3 boxes, renting is probably the smarter financial move right now. In 2025 surveys, 65% of homebuyers regret their purchase, and 73% of first-time buyers report regrets, mostly due to surprise costs and underestimating maintenance. This isn't about where you live, it's about whether you're building wealth or building stress. Buying a home can be the best financial decision you will ever make, or the worst. The difference isn't luck, it's preparation. If you walk into the process blind, the hidden costs will eat you alive. But if you plan ahead, buy in the right market, and protect yourself from the common traps, you won't just own a home, you will own your future. And if you enjoyed this video, watch this one next.